There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Ovoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Okay. Welcome everyone. We'll start soon. So we have Sun, Mike, and Nino. So let's go. Okay. So let's go to JPY. We went to the daily. We see we are here at the resistance, and our daily candle flipped from Asian bullish to London bearish, and right now we are in bearish mode, so we're looking for sells. We will see when this is go, because this triangle, if someone sees it, so was actually broken, and now we can expect another push up and down and something like this. So we will see what will happen in a few days. Weekly started good, started bullish. So like we said, we will probably make today or tomorrow lower low or new week. But yeah, 4 hours is pretty bearish. So here we can see we have nice push up, and here we had this is the point where two things can happen. So we can get a nice push up, or we can get a nice push down. So yeah, I'm figuring that nice push down is still optional, because we had nice rejection here, but probably below this low would be phenomenal. So yeah, our daily, we had a nice range, which market, as you can see, clearly filled. So that was great. It went below the zone. I think, yeah, here was the zone. So we touched. So now if we get a close below on this 1 hour, we can probably continue going down. Okay. So here would be the zone. Here would be the zone that we are looking to cross. So we need to close below, and then later pull back, weak back, stuff like that, you know. The drill. Okay, all the same here. We have nice corrections here. So probably between this is viable trade. Only 9 pips, we will see. We'll keep that. Maybe something happens, but what we saw on the Asian, so Asian pushed big and then retraced everything and fall down. I think we will continue down, or maybe we get reversal. So yeah, yesterday trade, no entries, so not even after we finished our session, if you can see. Yeah, this is London. So yeah, even after we finished our session, we didn't get any trades. Okay, so that's that. We're looking for sells on GBP JPY, and our GBPY is currently bullish. As we can see, we made a nice retracement. We didn't make any lower low, and now we're heading back to make higher high. Daily, same stuff. So we have here a nice push up, correction, and then we broke the low. we failed to make higher high, we broke another low, and now we are in correction to up. So until this candle broke this high, we are still in sell. 4 hour showing us almost the same picture, but this one looks like it's bullish. So we'll see what's going on here. We have a nice rejection up, rejection down. So that means that probably some big moves, big candles like this one could be in play soon. Okay, daily looking bullish. 30 minutes. We are here. We have a big compression of the big range. Yeah, we're still waiting. Still waiting. Okay. Overall, I draw some zones here. So in between here is no trade zone. We have 11, so 4 time hour. So maybe we can get a nice break above. Yeah, but here is the problem. So we have here is the zone and here's the range. So we don't want to take trade here inside, even though it looks nice. So what I'm looking for is either break below here. Yes. Break below here or close above here, and we will see what's going on. We'll look at the gold at the moment. So I got good trades in London. So on one I was stopped out because of the spread. So that's really unlucky. But I entered the same position and secured a percent. So altogether was 0.4 0.4 if I'm specific. So yeah, this is what we're looking for. We're gonna look at the gold now. Let's look at the same some trades. Yeah, guys, any feedbacks? You hear me all right? Is everything working correctly, or do we have a problem? If you don't hear me, tell me. Oh, I know I need to do it all over again. But yeah, all good. Nico said hello, so probably you all hear me, yeah? Okay. Nico, thank you for the feedback. So just so I know that I'm not talking with myself. So yeah, we got some movements. We will see. We will sit tight until something that we can use happens. And yeah, that's it. Okay, Nico, gold. How is your gold trading today? Okay, perfect. I think the sell is correct way. Yeah, the sell should be. No. Okay, so we are in this weekly range, but all the bad stuff is happening. So I mean the war and stuff like that. We have a nice push down. As you can see here, we have nice push down. Now we have crossed the list lower high and do it again. So now we are retesting. So this may mean that we can expect more push up. But yeah, we will see about that. So imbalance was filled on the daily. So yeah, I think this looks nice for a sell below because we have right now candle open below this, but we need to wait for 4 hour. Yeah, and if we check a 4 hour, then we see that we have so many zones. So many zones. See, that means the sell will be hard, or after it happens, probably when we get below this, when we have below 80-40, we can fall straight to this, or at least like this week did. So yeah, something like that. But we are not trading 4 hour, so just so we know what can happen, it's caught in range, so I would not recommend to take any trades until we see some clear move where it can move. Equal high. Good. Closing 30 seconds. Closing in 30 seconds. Here he is, the Mike, the legend. And we were waiting for you all morning. And here you are, yes. Huh. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, let's do it. I'm all in. Let's see what market brings us. Trade what you see, not what you want to see. Yeah. AUD it has potentially very nice buy here. I hope we get this one. This could be nice 10 pips. Then later on, here we have some range. Yeah, this is some dangerous range. Okay. Just change the color. Okay. So yeah, we can get. I hope we get nice close above, so we can fly with this. Then later on, we don't have enough space for this move, so this would be the optional one. Could get 10 pips, maybe 16, but I think 10 would be more than enough. And if this bank level, I think this is bank level, doesn't hold, we can get a nice buy here. So yeah, we will see what the market will give us. Currently is nothing. Seems like we're gonna be waiting for no. We're gonna be waiting for some news, and what the news we have. So we have a little news. This is great because we means we're gonna get a lot of volume like we did in the London. And yeah, when the New York opened. So okay. Interesting. Good. So 50-minute break. Just started and already taking break, huh, guys? That's the way to go. Yesterday I had My uncle called me and he said that this is not the real money with the trading, that you need to work with your hands, because the Forex is not the future. The trading is not the future. And I'm really grateful for him to say this, because now I know. You know, guys, you cannot trade, you cannot make money with Forex. Not impossible. Never been done before. It's a joke, so don't take me seriously. But yeah, it was like, been doing this for so many years now, living off of it, like showing off. I mean, the showing off is a really small part of me. I'm not doing that enough, but I'm going to some vacation and post some stories and stuff like that. And I still, after what, 5 now, I think it will soon be 6 years, I still get comments that the Forex doesn't work. So yeah, the Forex doesn't work. You cannot make money and stuff like that. Yeah, get used to it. Get used to it. My father told me for like 3 years, didn't believe that I make money. For 3 years, he was thinking I'm selling, I don't know, maybe he thought I'm selling drugs, so maybe I was. For him, I mean, it doesn't matter what it was, because for him it was this. Yeah, Forex is the biggest scam, you know. Everybody is telling you can make money easily, but you need to work hard as fuck. So yeah. Hard as fuck and still come every day. You check in every day and not even paid every day, you know. Can come for every month and not paid for every month. Forex is a scam. Just joking, guys. If you're new to Forex, it's not gonna be easy. But the one thing I can tell you, it's gonna be 100% worth it. So we talked with Nino this morning, and I told him some stuff that can happen, that will probably happen to him, what he will need to work on, stuff like that. And it's not easy. So, but so most of the people that can have their focus on Forex for 2 years and more, they usually succeed. So the worst thing you can do is like think you're better than anyone else, then you can get it, because it's not the problem with the skill, the problem is with the mindset, with the things you need to clear. So like you need to become your best self if you want to become the best in this market. Yeah. So how do you improve? How do you improve as a trader? You go and you take this and you say, okay, how could I enter here? And probably on the flip would be good. You have 10 pips stop loss. You can go from zone to zone, which in this case would be perfect. And this is 1 hour candle, so I don't need to be here every day. I mean, every minute, only once per hour. And yeah, but it's still better entry. So maybe entry is somewhere in around those wicks, and maybe this, maybe it isn't, but that's how you grow, you know. You need to ask the real questions. How can I do better? Is this the best thing I'm doing? So that's why in London, it's the best to trade for me in London, because you find moves that continues into the London, into the New York. It's not always like that, but on the EURUSD, GBUSDs, mostly it's like that. So yeah. So let's say we find Asian session did this, and then London, pre-London push down. You could easily start looking for a retracement here. So if we go back to this, you could easily start looking for a retracement here. So around this zone, touch on the zone, I would do something like this. Put stop loss on this candle. And yeah, let's see. I mean, the first stop loss, the first take profit would be here, the second of the next zone. And then you go on the 4 hour and you see, okay, now we're in downtrend. Can we go lower? Look where the 4 hour is. Yes, we can even go up to here. It will take time, but this is how you improve. This is how you trade. You look for improvement. You look for better stuff. How to improve. Always, always, always ask yourself how to improve. How you can be better. I know. And this is all the basic. I didn't discover anything. I didn't have a hot water. I'm just like, okay, so it needs to come back. It needs to come back. So like we say, a week back, but this is the 1 hour, so it's much bigger scale. So that's why you can enter here. So yeah, I would go like, I could even say, okay, enter on this. And if that will make more sense to you, you can be more precise and enter on the same block, the exit. Anything would work, even if you waited for this flip. But then your stop is a little bigger, so yeah. That's the only problem, but if it works, man. I know people who have 1-to-1 risk reward and 30% win ratio, and they're still making it. I don't know how they're making it, but they're still making it. They're still living off the forex. They're working like crazy, but still making it. So yeah, everything is possible. So yeah, I'm preparing for you my old. I am, how to explain this? I am re-entering or re-exercising my old strategy. I'm paper trading it, and I'm finding some great entries, get returns. I'm doing some demo stuff, some paper trading, and soon you will have my signals or my analysis, and you could put trade yourself and profit from it. So yeah, risk reward would be like from 1 to 5. So if you risk 1%, you can get 5 back. 1 trade per day, that's enough. Even if you want to be more conservative, like I am, you can use 0.5% or 0.25%. Make Ben 1 to 2%, and that's it. So yeah. 3 minutes. When? Well, we'll see. We'll see when the market will be right. The conditions are getting better. So I think that soon. Maybe even next week. I don't think this week, but maybe next week we can get nice entries, stuff like that. Yeah. There you go. And there you go. Look. Another, because the 4 hour. So why this one is falling? Yeah, because we have like clear traffic. And now if I was in the trade, hey, hello, welcome. Not the LDJPY. Why? Talking about this euro trade. EuroJPY for me is still not outside of this daily 4 hour range. So this is for me no trade zone because I don't know where volume is going. But this euro trade, so this euro trade has a lot of clean traffic. So yeah, that's why it's going the way it's going. So if I would be in this trade, I would wait for this one to close and wait for some retracements. So like I would wait for this and put stop loss here, or wait for this and put stop loss here, stuff like that. But yeah, right now you would have to move stop loss to break even. So now we're just doing computation trades, but these are the trades that I'm talking about. So stuffs like that, but not better entries than this. Because I think this here could be. I think here could be better entry with. So this was the cross. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this would be our entry. Get in only with ID. So yeah, this would be it. This would be our entry then. If I would use my strategy, my entry strategy, my strategy that made me so successful as I am, this would be our entry. So currently we would be, what is this? 1 to 14 trade, 1 to 15 trade. Okay, so currently we would be 1 to 30. This is the paper trade, so I'm not in this trade. I didn't call this trade. This is just what my strategy looks like, and I'm trying to to see if this strategy is starting to work again, because the volume is getting bigger and bigger. So yeah, that's it. That's it. So now let's say on this trade, if you would risk 1% or 4 pips, or like we do now, yeah, let's do this. So right now we have 0.05 lot per $1,000 capital, yeah. So if you use 0.05, you would make, can I calculate here? Risk. You would make 6%. 0.04. Oh, okay. Sorry. I was meaning to change this. So if you risk 0.5% on this trade, you would lose €5. So this would be 5%. And you would gain 73. So this would be like 7.3%. I guess that's something. So yeah, those are those secret sniper entries that I hope will start working again, because if this one starts to work again, this is like, this could become like 5% per day deal. So this call could be like the probably hottest call in few days or few months, because you people don't share Panther enough. Anyway, how are you doing? What's some story? Do you have any trades? Do you have any analysis you want to check? Any pairs? I'm open for this today, so just gonna put myself some music. I need to see if this one is there. Okay, that's it. I'm looking for also Zenbook Duo. So if someone has it, if you have any, how to say it, review or comments if it's good. I'm looking for this because I want to travel. I'm going to Greece maybe for 2 weeks in the summer. So yeah, I'm looking for some info if it's good. So yeah, it's expensive as fuck. I mean, it's 4K for, it has one i9 and 32 giga RAMs and Nvidia, what is it? GeForce. So yeah. So I can stream for you guys when I'm on vacation. I will show you what the sea behind me and That means that drinking hour will be moved to 5 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. The Superman. Yeah, EURUSD, like we said. So managing trades. Let's go managing trades. I think you will need those in trading career. So we're putting that big, and now you're waiting for this to get crossed. And when this get crossed, put stop loss here, and then you're safe. Or you can use this one, because here you had like push through, pull back, and push through. So you can use this as stop loss, and when the price crosses this, you can push this as stop loss. Because this, what usually happens here is like some people put sell stops below. Okay, so that means that you can get maybe a week up, and then down, and then up. And if you put stop loss here when this is hit, you can get a nice, I think, a reward. Still better than this one. Okay, so that's what I would do. So this was pure educational. We didn't take this trade. If we would, the entry would be here, but we saw that we talked about it, that maybe even if you didn't have special skills entries, whatever, you could still enter here or down here as per usual. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see, the volume, some volume kicked in. Not great, but some of it. I go to see for 2 weeks with Yachta and of the next month. Great Velo, enjoy. Enjoy. You deserve it, man. Go for it. So we are not trading, just to clarify, because I saw some questions, we are not trading this pair, we are not trading this gold, we're just experimenting on it like I told you at the beginning. We are only trading on these two pairs. So what are we waiting for is close above here. Nice big back, we enter and then we go with the trend. So yeah, that will be it. Three more minutes before we close. Still nothing to happen. We probably have to wait for the volume from New York to kick in, especially for GBP. And this is good. This is great. The only problem we can have is actually that it's gonna kick too late, like when we will finish. And if that happens, it happens. But yeah. Today, if you get two trades, I think we can be grateful. Okay, 1 more minute and a half.
So currently we have nothing. I think that most of the stuff will happen next 15 minutes, or if not, probably when the New York opens, which is in 45 minutes. Good. Our bonds getting ready, I guess, maybe. Like I said, we need to wait for the volume to get us into the zone. If we are not here, nothing will happen. The only thing I can see right now is we have compression. So we are compressing this chart, meaning that the money is getting bigger and bigger and bigger in these layers. So not just all around, but especially here. So we could probably expect fake out and then boom, something like that. So fake out is when you get only spike up or wick up and then back down. Yeah, liquidity grab, however you want to call it. Same stuff here. As you can see, we had the same accumulation here. Then have big moving up. correction back, and now we have accumulation again. Move down, accumulation again. So now we took those stop losses, this money from above and money from below. So now we are waiting, because if we close below here, we're gonna continue. If we close below above here, we're gonna continue. Mhm. Any questions, comments, and observations? If you want to ask anything, if I need to repeat anything, if you didn't hear, if you missed the beginning, whatever you need, just ask. So we have everything on the record. And maybe you can help someone too, you know? Deal. Okay, Miha, only for you. So on daily, you can see some accumulation. So we're getting this triangle pattern. So what I want to see, we have this high broken. So if we take this, we have like nice structure. Okay, and now this high was broken and this high was broken. So depending from now, we can have both way. We can continue in this range, but probably something like this or this. So right now I don't have preferences because the daily candles are really small and we are used to now for those big candles. So I would say to be very careful with it because big candles are coming. We can always see that we have some small candles, and then some big ass candles. And it's like always like that, small candles and then bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger others, and then volume dies down. Then we have like assault on Ukraine, or this was like, I think, nuclear threat from Russia. Yeah. So yeah. 4 hour, same stuff. So if we are more specific on 4 hour, you're in the uptrend because this low wasn't broken 2 times. So like we had something like this. Okay, this was probably, yeah, but still didn't broke like this. So if I would draw a range, I would put it here and here, yeah, here. So if you get above or below, I would go with like the full force. So yeah, let's go. But until then, I would be very conservative because it's preparing for something. It's bringing liquidity in. So now the people that trade small time frames that don't look the bigger time frames will get trapped. The constitutions are getting trapped, stuff like that. So yeah. So yeah, I would be really careful because you have very small candles. That means that it's something really something unpredictable is gonna happen. So I would react after it happened, not before. And then you say DXR, the Nate robot. You wanna see what? Okay, great. The Nate robot. So the Nate robot will probably see some long. Yeah, you remember we did this in the back, so now we got close. Okay. We did it on our first session. Remember, Miha? This is left. Nice. So yeah, we had nice. I don't know where we were. I think it was something like, no, this is November. So I think it was something like this. No. April, no. Oh, this is weekly. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we had close above. Nice push up. Now we have correction. I would still say on the weekly, this is like strong bearish bullish movement. So buys only, I would say. And yeah, you did. I mean, this low was broken, but from this point, you didn't had correction yet to broke another. So when this low will be, let's say if this is the correction that we're gonna see, and this low is broken, then we can expect lower low. But until then, I would be too worried because weekly is strongly bullish. 4 hour, like the nice channel for downside, but still respecting. I mean, it's respecting for me the weekly. So yeah, we'll see. But the high was broken. Maybe we can get some. This is the equal high. Yeah, okay. So if I would trade this, like I trade this. Yeah, I think so too, especially on daily and weekly. But if I would trade this the way with my strategy, I would go, okay, this is the trend line. So the trend line was broken. But it's great because we didn't have, so we had nice channel, yeah. The channel was okay, getting bigger and bigger, but you have here, seeing this correctly. Yeah, I think so. So here you have head and shoulders. This I think could be, yeah, okay. So I have head and shoulders, meaning that when the price will finally close above here, you can probably see a big push up. So if it closes above here, you can see the big push up till here. And then I would say something like this. Just give me a second. How many time we have? Okay, we have enough time. So weak, not this one, not this one. Oh, this, I was here. Yeah, this and this. I would say this could be our short for, let's say, something like this. This could be possible. This could be possible. Because here we have like head and shoulders. Then here we could say we have equal highs. Equal lows were also broken. So that means that some money pockets were here. Maybe even higher. Maybe this is wrong, but I think this could work. Yeah. Yeah, sure. But this could be like daily trade for 40 pips and then continue to go up. So bounce. I think then you will see something to uptrend. Yeah, probably. So something like this back in this zone. So more specifically, you can see something in this zone. So usually in the middle of head and shoulders. So something like this. And then prepping up for a something big. Depending what this candle, of course, will do, but then later I would say you could see this. So yeah, probably something like that. And then you're above the zone. Then you're above the daily zone. So you can see up. I guess because here you have really nice traffic. So each close above this could fill in. Let's see. Let's leave this here and let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, this is here. Maybe we can come back in a few days and check if I was close. Maybe I missed for a bus. Okay, the next candle. Yeah, all good, Mike. All good, Mike. Is any other questions you want to see any more of my analysis? Free to ask. If you want some explanation, you're free to ask. Because until we are waiting, I can talk. I can teach you. When I'm in trade, I like to be quiet and think. Mikey, how is MMT doing this week? You didn't even look. That's great. That is great. We're getting close. Still nothing to confirm. So yeah, let's go back if okay. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for joining. See ya. Okay, so if we were, so we are not in this trade. If we were in this trade, I will tell you right now that you can move stop loss. So before that, I told you move stop loss here. Okay, if you wouldn't do that, you could still move it here because now you have like of the break of this structure and probably it will continue down in our stop loss, in our take profit. So yeah, just so you see the way I trade and why it is important. So we are trading like this because when the when the volume stops, it's the best strategy you can have because you have breakout. So you're waiting for volume to get compressed and then like a bomb, like we take the trade and profit. But since the market is changing so much, I'm changing my strategy also, meaning that in few days, we're gonna have different entries. The strategy I'm using, I will be using in few days, is a strategy that made me my millions. So yeah, I hope you will be here and make some of it for yourself. Hey ha, kesildi bir. So yeah. What do you want to talk about, guys? What do you need? What do you want to hear from me? I'm here to talk with you, to trade, and if you want, I can explain something. If not, I'm just gonna chill here, read some books, stuff like that. How to set up formal chart to candle chart. This would be here. Candles, bars, hollow candles, lines. We use candles. This would be it. You got it? Did it work? But you have trading view open or MT4? You're using this site, trading view, or you're using MT4? MT4. Yeah, on MT4, you need to click this. Wait a second. Yeah, if not, click this. The candles. Cool, gee. Okay, still waiting. We got some volume, so I think that when the 1 hour closes, so like 2 more candles, we get good stuff. Nice entry. Chi si ljubi. Ajde, dođi tati. Okay, so if I would trade this, that would mean that this would be my end. This would be probably my exit. So on 3 straight, I would make 9.84% with 1% risk. Okay, so yeah, this is the way I trade. So the way I want to let you know how to trade also. But yeah, it will take some time for now. Okay, we're still waiting, still nothing. Maybe, I mean, guys, be ready to not even have a trade today. So yeah, this can still happen. So yeah, we had a lot of news. I was expecting something better, but I need to say that probably most people are waiting for some news. Let's go read some news. So have CNC if someone wants to watch it. Mm-hmm. 8% in yesterday when I was reading this inflation for euro, it was 7.5. The day is 8. So no matter, guys, if you're not gaining today 1%, you lost it anyway because of the inflation. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Okay. We're seeing some movement, so closing in a second. I think that for another 15 minutes until we close above. We cannot even trade this. I think, yeah, we have 10 pips, so smaller. But 30 seconds, we're still not out of this zone. We need to get above to get a buy. We have 0 here, something here, and nothing here. Means that we need to wait. We will have to wait. So yeah. Fifteen more minutes, nothing to do, so you're free. I guess. Free of me. 'In Slovenija we would say nico patka, kam se je izgubil. Ne, Niko? Tako slovenski govorim, ko so samo dva. Tako da, če imate kaj za vprašati, kar povejta. Pa tudi po slovenski razložim. Zdaj je pač fora, da market se je tukaj ustavil in on zdaj nekaj čaka, oziroma da so akumulacije ali karkoli, da se prebil čez. Ampak tukaj si ena ful veliki problem. Ful veliki problem je, da on lahko tukaj prebije res čez, ampak verjetno ne bo prebil, bo prebil glih na polovici, se pravi, ne bo imel dosti placa. Se pravi, tudi na tem candli mogoče ne bomo mogli iti not. Lažno, če bom prišel sem, ampak če pride pa čez obe, pa rabimo pa res dolgi vik nazaj, da lahko gremo notno. Tako da to sem vama želel povedati. Se pravi, tu čakamo tle. Tukaj pa druga stvar. Je pa tukaj delež, da tudi če zaključim noter, lahko gremo direkt v buy. So, Velo, one more time for you. What we can see here is that market is getting more and more and more compressed. So that it means that it's like a spring. So like more you compress it, the most power it has. And the same stuff will happen here. We'll get close above. And probably this distance won't be enough to take trade. So we'll probably need to wait for another candle to take this trade. But maybe it can, something like this can happen then with the long wick back, and then we can enter this. Okay, so this is scenario one. here we have difference because here we can have nice pull up, close above, weak back, and boom. This happen. I think for me this is a prettier trade because usually this one can continue, but we will see. So I want to see volume, and as you can see right now, the volume is not coming right now in. So 10 more minutes until we see something, I guess. If we get close below here, I don't. Maybe we can have a trade, but there is not a lot of space. But here to here, I think this should work. So like sell below could give us at least 20 pips. But yeah, we need to see. We need to get out of this zone first, out of this range where the price is trapped. The same here, then we can go anywhere. Yeah. This is it. This is what we're waiting for. So you have still 10 minutes and do as you please. Nice. Good job, Carlo. Harley. Arabska kupivaj. Okay, shit. O jebem ti. Okay, guys, still still waiting for a fucking volume. But yeah, days like this come, just days like this come. You sit behind the computer. There is nothing to see. There is nothing to do. But yeah, I think that this one will move the market. So 5 more minutes. Yeah, so still nothing. 4 more minutes. Then New York opens. Then volume will probably kick in, and yeah, we will see. We will see. Maybe great start of the week. Maybe we can get some money back from yesterday. Did we lose money yesterday? Yeah, we did. We lost like what yesterday? We had this, yeah. So minus 2.4. Altogether right now I am 4 pips in profit this week. So yeah, not much, but this was like really mistaken. So what can I do? I don't know, maybe I could place it the other way, but yeah, in that moment it didn't I didn't find a solution, or I would use it. So yeah, sometimes it just happens. Okay, see you. Okay. So we are going somewhere. Now I just 2 more minutes. Maybe we will get the entry here. So get ready, guys. Get ready. We'll probably have an entry. Yeah, seems like so. Just want to see. We'll just check if it maybe can be a fake out or some trap, because we don't have clear range here. So just a second. So I'm looking for the danger zone where the steps start. No, okay, so this is good. This means this is great, and we are above here right now. Yeah, this one seems fine. So yeah, 50 seconds. So get ready. 15 seconds. If it closes like this, so above the support, which is this white line, so it needs to close above right here. Okay, let's say at least in between, if not up. Then we will look for something like that. Then look for something like that. So touch in here would be great. I think this is needed. Yeah. Or even here. Okay, let's see. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Let's see. 8 seconds. LDGPY, nothing. Okay. 4 seconds, 2 seconds, close above. And we didn't get a chance to entry so far because it's just flying. So this is what happens with price when it's compressed. So yeah. So we cannot do anything right now. That would be a nice trade. If we could enter here, we could probably bang. Yeah, this is 9 pips, so that's no go. In any way, this is like 9 pips. Meaning even if you get a chance to enter here, you didn't cover your loss. Yeah. But it's nice to see some movement after a while. So probably this one will do the same because EUD/GPY. So this pair is sometimes just lagging behind the GPY, GPY, GBP, GPY. So yeah, let's wait for this one. I fear that because of such a big move, maybe we can even see hold this on field and then the next trade can be taken here. But this is also so, but from here on out, it's okay. So yeah, let's see. 30 minutes to finish. Should be good. Should be good. What about here? Something like this. Yeah, so what I'm afraid of here is because we have equal highs, and maybe we can hit the price can even go up here, and then turns. So I want to see if there is any reason to turn or any reason to keep pushing up. Whatever we'll do. Yeah, here's nothing. This is okay. This one is okay. This one is stupid. Yeah, so I think the biggest problem is this. The biggest problem is this imbalance. Go, Johnny, go. Yeah. Oh. Go, but GPY just retraced, but not enough for us to enter. You can see here, just at least let him touch this stuff here. Okay, so until he touches this, we can't place any orders now. So equal highs are up there. Yeah, little more patience. So I want to see this to touch, then we can place straight here and let's go. Okay, and this is our take profit with this one. Okay, great. Okay. So almost the same stuff as with EUD/GPY yesterday. Yeah. So now I know. Now we know what we're waiting for. The first so the problem right now is if this 5-minute closes like this, then we have a big problem, because that means that this was liquidity grab. And it means all the people that had sell stop losses here, just grab those and will probably continue down. So that's why I want to be careful here, because I don't know what is going to happen, and I'm just trying to prepare for the worst. Okay. So 5 minutes closed, still bullish, but I think it will have, yeah, look at this. So this is like the imbalance we have right now. So at least in between it could go. It's like became the great gap. So yeah, we are looking for this or touching this. We will see. If we touch the middle, so if we touch this middle, then it's okay. Then I think it's okay. So we can place pending here and see it. But still, this is really a risky trade right now. Mm. Pierwszy luka, nie pierwszy luka. A, Kis Mali. Kish Mali. Hello, Claudio. No problem, mate. Sve je to u redu. Okay, 5 minutes to close. We're gonna wait patiently. We will see what market will give us. Never be hasty. If you're not sure, you're not sure. If you don't see trade that could happen, don't take it. Simple as that. So the problem with this is that the problem with this trade is that we can have like we could enter here even after it pulled back, but we would never get any pips. You see, we had like 4 pips. Like the close will happen now. You don't have, even if you enter here, like even this close like this, and we get a wick, we don't have enough room now. We need to get above here to take this trade. That's why I'm looking with this one to take this trade. So yeah, because this trade is still potential loss, as you can see right now. So yeah, even if you'd had go into the trade, but you didn't go in the beginning, it's too late now. So that's why you need to be patient. That's why you cannot just jump at every opportunity that's there. You need to be selective. Like you don't pick up any girl or any guy. You need to be selective. Careful. Yep. So still waiting, still nothing. What we have next? We have next news is in 15 minutes. We don't have any entries. As you can see, if this one closes below, so if this red closes like this, that means we cannot take any of this trade, and we need to wait for this one. And I think it will close below. So yeah, we'll see. So we have nice touch now. And that's it. But that's not, it's not enough. So yeah. Maybe. Let's wait. I think this is too risky to take. So yeah. "40 seconds. Okay, next. So yeah, nothing happening here, like you saw. But we touched this in balance zone, so yeah, this one may fly. But I don't trust him, so I don't like this range because here you have a lot of wicks. So that means if we look this with the logical standpoint, price every time it went inside this, it struggled. Yeah, it struggled. So even if we open buys here, we can struggle also. You know what I'm saying? Okay. See, so even if you would trade like when I said we can wait for the week, so even if we would take this trade later on when it came back, we would have straight a loss. So that's why we didn't take it, because if you're not sure about what market will do, don't do anything. Wait, because right now we saved ourselves 8 pips, so we're in profit right now. Even if you don't see the profit, you're still in profit because you didn't lose. So that's how much you want. You need to want to save yourself from losses. Okay, so 12 more minutes. We're gonna do this until next 4 hour closes. So this is like 45 more minutes. If nothing happens, nothing happens. No problem. But I hope it will. I hope we can get at least one winning trade. So yeah. Okay. Sorry, having a lot of phone calls today. Yeah, famous, getting famous. After Beograd, I'm getting famous. I'm just joking, guys. I'm famous already. Okay, so maybe we can have here. Sure, maybe we will see how this one closes. But maybe we can find nice sell down below to here. We'll see. Maybe that this is still an option. Okay, let's just wait 10 more minutes. Maybe we can pull this off. See, even if you would entry under pressure, so no more sell, so this turned completely, so the sell is not viable anymore. Even if it continues down, not for us, but would be great if this one could do this, and then we could have nice buy. That would be great because he gets like nice long wick. It meant something great. Something great. Oh. Claudio, do you ever listen to music while trading? Did music ever calm you down while trading? Yeah, yes and yes. I'm listening to music all the time. Sometimes more of a live one, sometimes more of, as you can see, I look at the vacation. So let's say this is Maldives. So I'm looking for some vacation to go in summer. But mostly music, yeah. I'm listening to Slovenian music, Balkan music. No, Balkan not a lot, because Balkan is more for a party than trading. Yeah, but yeah. But yeah, I do. Use whatever you need to do, whatever you need to do to be successful trader. Don't know, man. Depends on you. What Slovenian music now? I know something from tem po slovensko povedal. Ne vem, od Manoče, ne vem, kje si ljubi, ta je taka špasna, Maseja je vseeno, Monoš, kaj je še slovenski, nekako od Jana Plestenjaka se najde, disko, tam je tudi taka groovy, mi je tudi tako uredi, pač karkoli, da me ne dela živčenka, karkoli, da se malo zamotiš, da se odmakneš od stresa, karkoli tega. Tako no, tako da veš. Muska je orodje, veš, muska je orodje, in pa če nimaš motivacije, si daš nekaj, kar te zmotivira, če pa je kontra, si pa preživčen, si daš nekaj, kar te pomiri, ne. Okay, today is so slow market, maybe we will trade on the gold. Okay. Let's wait. Maybe we can trade on gold. I'm looking for buys or possible sells below here. And buy above. Yeah, something like that. So above here, side below, we will see, but maybe sell below, buy above. Maybe something like that. Okay. Right now, when we're looking for some buys on the other pairs, GBP moves. This one too. So yeah, if this one continues, so closes red, we'll probably look for the sell. Yeah, maybe we can get some 10, 20 pips here for the 20 pips. I think 20 pips should be good. So be aware, because here are bigger stop loss, so losses may be bigger. We'll see. Okay. But I would rather, if it's optional, I would rather trade these two, because this one is getting really, really nice. Looks really nice for now. And on 5 minutes, it looks really sweet. Yeah. But yeah, this one is looking powerful too. We will see 50 more seconds. So get ready, guys. Maybe in 40 seconds we can get a trade. So yeah. "30 seconds, okay. Even this one got some movement. That's great. Not yet. So okay, we are skipping gold. We're going back to the main plan. Okay, 18 seconds. Okay, we need shit. Okay. Shame. Shame it didn't close above, but it can still happen next candle. Okay. Okay. So this would be the touch that I want to see. Okay. But then that means we have 24 pips stop. This is like really a lot. No, not playing with not playing with gold today. If you were like 500 pips in profit, then sure. Yeah, not going too much. So the stop loss right now is huge. Like my take profit, not my stop loss. We have rejection here. Can I see why? Maybe something is hidden here. No, nothing. So yeah, nothing to do today. Oh my God, look at this. Reversed completely. This move was reversed completely. Just like that. Like I told you, New York was, how we can say, kicking the X. Okay, guys, half more hour of this session. If nothing happens, nothing happens. Don't worry about it. I mean, what we could, even if we would enter this, we would be stopped out. If we would enter this, there was no proof that this will shoot up. We could enter even later and still only 7 pips, so not take profit. We didn't get a chance to sell below. We didn't get a close above. Nothing. We are trolled. The market is trolling us. Sometimes it seems that way. 27 minutes before the news hits the HBI news and S&P news. So yeah, unlucky week. I mean, this will be like unlucky New York month. Oh Jesus, this is like London is so great, but New York is such a boring, so boring for this month. New York is the most boring. Okay, so I need to criticize you. You want to be criticized? Okay. Okay, you want to be criticized. Close above, man. Come on. Give us a trade, give us a win, then we go home and then we are done for today. Ladia moja, Cerberão. 6 minutes until it closes. Okay, 5 minutes to close. Okay, maybe we can get 2 trades. Huh. Now just don't fly too far, please, man. Just don't fly too far. Close about this week, and we are done. We enter, we go, we fly, we say goodbye. Something like that. If our kisses a bit. So if it closes like 2 more pips, like here, we don't have enough room for trade, and then we have a big zone, so no trade. So that's why I'm still looking at FDGPY. Because I know here buy will happen, but it's just the question where it will happen. So yeah, that's unfortunate, at least for me. Only Kish and Velo now. Jebenti, kak je dolgo cajt no RKT, tudi moč verjeti. EURUSD, direct take profit. 1:15. Prej sem razlagal, da ta trade pač, tak bi bil moj trade, ne, da če bi se mi malo bolj pripravil. Ful je zaspan, stari dremne se mi za popizditi, ko mi čaka na pa kosil. Ampak, se pravi, take trade jaz pokam, no. Se pravi, riskiraš 1%, 15 zapreš, ne. Zdaj, počasi se to vrača, tako da, no, s kaj takim, ne, ka smo se menila v avti, se pravi, kak challenge, s takimi pristopi bi se pa dali to delati. Takim pristopom bi se pa dali to delati. Je pa res, da spet lahko dobiš market, ko ne več, ne. Tako da. Še pol urce. Ampak zdaj, ta itak ne bo nič tega, sam če bo, to čakamo, ta je, this is done. Rad imaš ni virki, ja, itak, ja, vidim. Spis se mi tukaj za popizi, zjutraj sem naredil za grafi. Zjutraj lepo odtrejdaš, pa si frej cel dan, čau neki. Tako da vprašanje, če nam sam za Balkan, sem kar London tradal, pa je to. Vprašanje, če novo boš. Na Balkan nisem zmerno profitabilen, no. Oziroma 90%. Ali pa 90% v bujku, pa ne, New York sem tudi. A vidiš, ne. So yeah, this is no more valid entry for now, and even if you get close above here, okay, maybe we can get something. But should be a lot bigger. Let's see. If this wasn't here, we would enter here. But yes. Nope. I'll top a take profit. Okay. Guys, I think, okay. No, vidiš, super. Najde pa že signal, ja, zanimiv. Na GB Japoncev? Ja, zdaj se je. Ni panike, se pravim, da ne uporabljam. Pri meni, po mojih pravilih, pač ne gre to čestno. To je pravil zato, da jih pač sledim in ne morem iti kontra. Vprašanje pa je, kako se bo naredil, ko bo ta novica šla not. Pravi, ko bo zdaj čez 15 minut novica. Itak, vse v redi. Kaj bo, ko bo ta novica preskočila? Kaj bo naredil z marketom, pojme. Aero je imel pol kaj? Aero je imel to, a? To je imel, ne? Pa zdaj ti je breakout, ne? Ravno tukaj bi ti lahko šel noter. Možno. Oh. Okay, if I'm waiting for this next 15 minutes to close, and if there is no signal, I'm ending the stream because I think this is just a waste of time. So yeah. So no loss is equal win. If today you didn't lose anything on Forex, you're better than 80% of the traders in the whole world. Yeah. Joj, če tale zdaj close gore, bom pa znal. Beautiful. I am 100% certain that if I close the stream, this one will run off like in the next candle, and this one will run off in the next candle. Ja, se ti si ok, če ga je prebil, mora ga close čez, ne? Mora se zapreti tla čez. Ampak zdaj je fora, da on je že tako visok, da imaš ti sam še 6 pipov do naslednje cone. Prav, zdaj sploh ni nobene več, ne moram več tega profitabilnega narediti, ne? Kaj mislim? Tako, če ga pa tako zaključi, pa je tako brez veze, ko ni močen close čez. Ja, ne, to so 15-minutna svečka, ne? In on mora zapreti čez, pa se pa nova odpre, ne? Naprimer, ta ni zaprla čez, je zaprl nazaj, ta je zaprla čez. Pa pol ta je zaprla čez to. Pa ta ni zaprl čez to, ne? In tudi ta ne bo tle gor, ne? Mislim, skoraj sem ziher, ker mislim, da je to tega mova. Zdaj pa kaj čaka, ali čaka volume, ali kaj čaka, pa nimam pojma. Zdaj, tukaj je ta novica, ko bi lahko tule vrgla gor, ne, oziroma ob 3, ne, čez 2 minute, tako da bomo pač počakali še te 2 minute. Ampak če ne bo nič, ne, pač. Tukaj, so now we cannot take this trade because we don't have enough range, ne. Kršiti. Mi bomo zdaj priti, so we need to come here to pull through, but here is not a good entry right now because you have all of this. Tako da ja, tukaj imaš zdaj vse tu, ne. Saj pravim, na 5-minutni mreži pač ti štima, ampak jaz rad mojih pravil ne morem tega narediti, ne. Ne glede kaj Ajo reče, ne glede kdo kaj reče, tu imam svoje pravila, ne. Ne, da tukaj zdaj kje posebej na tebe leti, ampak čisto tako, ne. Zakaj tega ne bi naredil? Tukaj zgor je pa, je to, no, kaki move. Taki move smo tradali na Twitterju. Zdaj pa tega ni več. No, tu je vse za pofilati. Okay, yeah. See, close. But we don't have enough room, like I said. So it's only 8 pips. And we will see what happens now. Because it can happen two stuff. You can push through, that would be great. But we need to push now above this. So no trade here, only trade here. So we can fill this up. But yeah, even this move doesn't, this news doesn't move it enough. Oh yeah. Pogledam after spet gore. Da smo bili. Aha. Nice. A nič ni. No daj, no da. Fucking shit. Yeah, can't say anything, can teach anything because nothing is happening. So. If someone found the trade, congratulations. I don't see it. Okay. So we're gaining some movement, some momentum, I see. And, maybe we'll finally have our entry here. Okay, this has potential. Mr. Punter, 10K account Punter and AMO soft. You mean about risk percent? Velo, I don't know what you mean specifically by that. Ah, what risk to use on the Panther with 10K account and with AMO software? You asking this? Yeah, 0.5 is okay, Velo. 0.5 risk. It's okay. Why more? You will see. Come to the call Wednesday. You will see why more. It's not not great, because more risk means more potential losses. Yeah, it can mean more profit, but also mean more profits, more losses. So it goes both way. You open risk up, you get more profit. You open risk down, you get more losses. Like 70 pips. What the fuck? Like if this zone was right here, then yeah, we would go in. But because of this shit, see. So that was a little lucky. So now we're looking for if this one closes above or this one closes above. I guess we will not turn off the stream just yet. So yeah, let's see. I would not. I would love if this one would close above, because this one didn't make any specific moves today, but this one did, like, so from open 40 pips. So this may be this may be everything. Okay, so yeah. Touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline. Okay. I think this one will be good. This one could be good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I just need to close around here or even here. Anything will do. Just close above. If it goes above, then we are ready to rock and roll. If it wigs back below this one, I think this will not work out in any way. So yeah. Let's just watch and see. Done with this. Okay. 20% increase of the production. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, this is good. Now just don't go too far. Damn boy. Where are you going? Come on, waiting for you all day and now we do this. $30 seconds. Yeah. One traders, guys. You just feel the range too much. Like it's on the half. So you can see it's on half. Yeah, that means this is it. This is game over for me today. No more session. I don't know. I had high hopes. London looked great. I thought the New York will do. This will probably weak back till here, and then stop loss will be too big, and then we don't have any room for push. This one failed to close above. Gold also it's caught, so I think this is waste of time, waste of energy. So thank you all for coming. I'm sorry I cannot do anything about the market, but not trading is still trading. Watching the market, thinking what to do, and not doing anything stupid is still better than losing money. Okay, so that's it from me. Have a great day and see you around. Bye-bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading Forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Ovoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.